Hello, we are switching to FinHub for the basically for the thing. I'll just call this test. I want to get the same API key, but alright, well, let's get out of here. Okay. Let's see what this does. No. I need to print this response. That should be the current price is 242.86. Let me change this from Apple to Tesla. Okay, I'm gonna whip up on the left here, Tesla. I'm gonna drag it to this window. I'm gonna keep it here. We're gonna keep Tesla on the left. And we're going to wait a minute, and then we will run the call again, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, let's see. Boom. Okay, this looks like a way better API to use. I'm going to... We don't need this. Do we? I'm going to say fin hub get current stock price. Okay, so here, and then we're going to print. So I want to say loop. I want to basically, I'm just going to test an infinite loop here with a wait. So how do you wait in Rust? Wait in Rust. How do you do that? It's something to do with this, isn't it? So you have to do this. This allows me to sleep, and then thread that. Where is it? Down here. I want to sleep for, so that's a second. So hopefully that lets us basically ping every, so 100 milliseconds, so 1,000 is a second, that's 10 seconds. So let's see if this works every 10 seconds. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, there we go. And look at that. Look at that. Wait a minute, let me do this actually. Bam. Okay, it's printing actually something in here, which I don't really want to print. It's printing this getaway. That's really annoying me. I'm just gonna say, well, it's kind of testing that ticker equal TSLA. I want to give it ticker. I want to say print ln. We're going to give it, yep, we'll say, we'll just do that, and then we'll say that, and ticker, and ticker and x. I bet you x is to be like this. Okay. Now we shouldn't get any stupid We don't need this. That should just every second print. Oh no, sorry, not every second, every 10 seconds. Print Tesla's price, which we would take about 25 number. Oh, something's still printing up here. Number. Oh, yeah. You know, I wonder if we can get rate limited for doing every second. How long it'll take. No change. It doesn't really change that often. Let me try this. This is really cool. So, way better API, this FinHub. There's not really as much. FinHub, like, API limit. Like, what is the limit? So we got this a day on the alpha one. This seems amazing. Like, what? Oh, this might have it here. Huh, I'm on the free version, so. No change. Well, it looks like we managed to kind of update the API because it's way better than this other one, which I'll leave in here, but like it's potentially dead. I'll put in here dead to know. So you know what I want to do is I want to retry this. Oh, this must have been crossed out here. And this, and you basically, we say, oh, we need to up. Huh. How did we? Add start, calculate portfolio worth. What does this need? It needs main portfolio. I want to debug this, please. Oh yeah, and borrow it, we don't need to give it away. Open, close, that looks fine. Okay, I'll do this. Null. Okay. Why is it null? Alright, we want the FinHub one instead. Holy crap, that was so much quicker. I'm going to get in this format create 25 add-in stocks not used already. I really want to see because that was way quicker. Their API seems way better. Oh, I didn't give it in the format. This seems way quicker doing it. So the volume is that many dollars. Well, goodbye. Let's see if we can run this. That's our assets. Holy crap. This API is amazing. That was our portfolio balance. And then, wow, I'm loving this new API. Okay, well we don't really need all this, so we'll go back to what we had before. Let's see if we get rate limit here. See what happens. No rate limit. No rate limit. Okay, well it just seems to be insane. So we're getting really good. Great new API. Let's think of the next step. So to make almost like a trade, I think I'm going to make a position, like trade position, which will have a ticker. Ticker 32 will have the open price. So like you bought it for what? We'll have the we need to have, so you have the ticker, the open price, and closed price, open, closed price, which is the same the price you sold at or closed, and then we need the time open, which will be of, I don't know yet, time closed, which I don't know yet, we've not looked into that. I'm going to comment these out. Let's pretend to do a trade position. Yeah, so we'll say let temp be of type. Let's let equal trade position. We have to give it, what do we give it? So ticker is going to be Apple. I definitely put it as a number up here, didn't I? String, not a number. So Apple, the ticker, the open price and the close price. So we'll say open price is going to be equal to 0.0, and the close price is also going to be 0.0. We're going to make this minus 99999 just because we've not closed anything, and then actually we'll keep it the same. That's to kind of show that it's like a default. Okay, and then let me debug temp. Oh. Okay, I don't actually want to calculate the net worth. We're getting an error, or Mr. Semicolon. Okay. Oh, it looks like there's a. Oh, I must have reached the limit. Okay, so you know basically that there is no point. We've not. I think I need to do? I need to say open trade. We are going to need a ticker in that format. We need. Let's just say we only use the ticker, and then the share amount of shares. And we're going to return a trade. position object. What's the structure? So we have to we have the ticker and the amount of shares. So you say price per share equals, and we're going to get that from our new function up here, get current stock price, and we're going to give it the ticker. That should hopefully work. And don't forget that we have the price per share, and we're not going to do any validation yet that we have the money, so we can say price per share, and we'll say let open price be equal to, this might seem weird now, but it'll make sense later. Oh right, I see. I need to match this. How does it work again? Okay, where is it? Here it is. You say some value, and then we're going to do this, and then you say error. We're going to do this. Okay, let me just search for match. Oh, okay, so I've not done it right. I'm trying to match the price per share. Maybe I'm just thinking about it wrong. Let me just do print ln, and we'll do this, and we'll say price per share. Let me just quickly delete that. Right, let's get rid of that. We're going to say open. I'm going to open a trade of ticker APL. And 1 share. Failed to parse. We're using FinHub, not that one. Yep, that's fine. Unwrap the OK. Boom, there's our price of 1 Apple share. So we're going to say let temp. It's going to be a trade position open. No, a trade positional structure. The first one is ticker, which will just be ticker is ticker. .toString. We now need to give it open price and close price. So we say open price is this, closed price is going to be that, meaning it's not closed yet. And then we want to basically return temp, because we're going to return a trade position object. That's not an object. And then let me just debug temp. So we say x equals, let x equal, and then dbg x. Let's do this. Oh, we need the size, which is going to be equal to amount of shares. Should have thought of that. Size, which would be an F32 as well. Okay. Oh, we got rate limited? No, he's not. So we've bought 1 share of Apple at this price. Perfect. So we have a trade of Apple. Let's see. How would you say to represent closed trade when the trade is still open in Rust? See, normally I feel like you would just do null, but the null doesn't exist. Oh yeah, I'm so stupid. My stock price couldn't go to -1. So we know that if it's in the minuses, then it's an open trade. Okay, we probably should actually have the value of the trade. Maybe, yeah. Total value also as an F32. Where's trade position down here? We're going to give it, that's quite simple, it's just we select total value equal price per share times amount of shares. Oh, okay. What's the error? I've missed a semicolon. Alright, portfolio. I guess is irrelevant. We don't want to be printing this. This is getting annoying. We have one open trade and its value is $242. Its open price was that, and it's that many shares. So let's say we open up the trade. We say we always sleep for 10,000. Let's just do that because we know this works. So why bust with the thing that's broken. I want to say print. So we want to say print ln trade open price is going to be that, and that will be x dot open price. Dot copy. Okay, well, that's not going to work. We need to. It's because we're printing it here. Oh, you borrow it. We don't. Can I borrow it here as well? You can't. I guess it maybe borrows it by default. Oh, okay. I know what to do. Current price. Put $1 here. $1. also every time here print an empty line for us. Let's see price equal fin get, we know the sticker is just APL. I want to, yep, cool. This is this, and then you say let difference let diff equal AB. Okay, well, let's just say it's C price minus that. Okay, well, why can't we do this instead? So this will basically allow me to check if the trade is in money or out the money. Okay, and we're getting it okay, so I actually need to unwrap this. Unwrap. I'm going to retry that. Let's just check, please. Okay, it's working. I'll come back to that. I'll see you guys in just a moment. Alright, I'm back. Let's get this working. How would we find the absolute value between two numbers in Rust? Find absolute value in Rust. Do we have to import something? Dot ABS. Oh. Dot ABS. So profit slash loss is going to be it needs to be the absolute value. Oh right, you see let profit underscore loss equals C underscore price minus X dot open price, and then this is going to be ABS. Let's see if this will give us the profit and loss. We opened up an Apple trade at 243. I'm going to actually slightly let ticker equal. While this is running in the back, I'm going to slowly do this because I kind of want to get another terminal window open and change this to Tesla because I know Tesla might be more volatile. Oh look, we made 0.3 of a cent profit. Oh wait, we don't need the absolute value. We need the, so let me think. If our open price is 200 and now it's at 210, we've made it a profit. No, you do the current price minus the open price. We don't need any absolutes. Let's go. Oh no, wait. We want one on Tesla. We'll have this one on Tesla, and then this one on Apple. So on the right we have Tesla, on the left we have Apple. Let's leave these running for a moment to see if we can make any profit. We'll see, look, the trade open price immediately has lost some money. Let's actually get the Tesla chart. And then what about the Apple chart? Okay, they both look like they should be moving. Oh my goodness, yeah, look, we're down over almost 10 cents on, oh my goodness. We're down 44 cents on our Tesla trade, and we're down 9 cents technically on the Apple trade, if these were actual trades. Now, I do want to. I want to keep this one on the Tesla on the right going. I want to do Apple, but with 10 shares this time to kind of see what that looks like. Does it just seamlessly work, or because we're down 11 cents on our trade on the right? I need to wait for a small move in the Apple. Just to kind of see if it's working. I mean, it seems to be working. Look, so we were actually down 11 cents here, but now we're up 90 cents. We're down 5 cents on Apple. We're up 90 cents. So technically, I mean, if we sold it all now, we would technically be up almost $1. I could say I made $1. Let's go. So we were down 5 cents, now we're up 2 cents. We need Apple to make a move because, well, no, let's spun you off. Let's go back to here and do something like GME, which I know is extremely fluctuating all the time. And then actually three, because the price is so low, let's do 100 shares. Look at that, we technically made a profit of $1. Oh. Okay, we technically made a profit of $1. Now we could, instead of having to loop this, wait for user input and then check the status of all the trades. We need to persist this data into like a, oh look at that, I made $2 in our Tesla trade. Well, I'm quite happy with this demonstration, so I'm going to exit this one, but I'm going to update the text editor. There, okay. So that's actually been quite interesting. And then in our portfolio, we can have open trades, which could be a vector of trade So if we were to open trade, I'll say vector new, just a new empty vector, which is fine, and then we'll print this, which should be fine, right? No open trades. Well, let's not debug you anymore. Let's do main portfolio dot open trades dot. So it's in it. You can just say insert index. We'll just say, oh, not push just adds it to the end, and that should allow us to push. And then let me do dbt or bar. We'll quickly do main portfolio. That'll be good. That should be quite quick. Oh, this was never supposed to run. So the portfolio here, and then this is just with an open trade of GME 100 shares. We opened it here. It's not been closed yet. That's the total value. Oh. Oh, okay. Initial value. Oh, what should I say? Should I say initial? Yeah, initial values pair. Because initial value. This is opening a trade, remember? Not modifying it because, yeah. Okay, and then if we just, in this loop, instead of looping and saying, we say main portfolio dot open trades, but we need a kind of index, so we'll just go for the first one, just to kind of make it work, and that should do the same, because we can see in our kind of account here, the portfolio has one open trade, which is GME. So we could actually create a function that will give us the status of our trades, and you just pass in the portfolio. Let's do that. Status of all trades. Let's just do that to start with. Let me bring in a portfolio of type portfolio. We're going to return nothing right now. We say you basically say yeah, so let me just copy kind of this. Let me actually just kind of, this was a nice kind of system. So we say, let's say let current open. We know we loop through all the trades. We say for trade in portfolio dot open trades. You say we'll basically print the open price. No, that would be trade dot open price. We'll say this is the current stock price. We need the ticker. The ticker is trade dot ticker, and then you say current stock price, And then this is profit or loss. Profit or loss is just the current price minus the trade's open price, which is kind of obvious. And then this simply will tell us our profit or loss. So let's do that. So we say status of all trades. We're going to give in main portfolio, and I will do this. Let's do this. Let's see what happens. Great. Let's open a couple trades. I'm gonna buy 10 shares of GME here. Let's do 10 shares of Apple. Let's do 100 shares of Tesla. This is going to get the status of all trades. I'm going to just basically how to get user input. I forget, unfortunately. Oh wait, it's showing me because I didn't. Yep. Bro, it's just a dead. Okay. We're going to say this. We'll say enter command. So I'm assuming if B1 is equal to C, then I want to get the status of all the trades. Line. What's B1 then? Well, if line is equal to C, status of all trades. I want to return back a portfolio value and just I'm going to return back portfolio. Yeah, we want to borrow it, right? So I don't want to do this. I want to say loop. I want to loop infinitely. I want to basically do that. Rust loop and ask for a command. Okay, I'm gonna give this to help. Let's see what GPT says is my issue. Come and give assistance, GPT. So we say, we never are reading the line. That's what B1 was, but right, let me do some testing. It wants us to okay, I can see that. Let's do that instead and see if that works. Enter command P, C. Huh, that worked. This works. Okay, else if command is equal to Q, then I want to say print ln x setting, and then break, which will break us out of this loop. Okay. Q. Okay. That works quite well. I want to kind of print a new line though. That should work, right? No. Before and after will help. Great question here. Okay. Status of all trades. I should probably say print ln. I'll say trade. This is trade on whatever the ticker is here. You say trade.ticker. QQ. So trade GME, trade Apple, and our trades on Tesla. I probably want to have underneath this the amount of shares, and this will be trade dot, is it size, start, and then C. Okay, I'm going to leave this here for 5-10 minutes, and then we'll come back and look at if we've made any profit or loss. Okay. On our GME, we're up 1 cent. On our Apple, we're up 9 cents, and on our Tesla trade, we're down 59 cents. Damn. So this is pretty good. I'm gonna, because there's no persistence, I'll quickly open up another window. I'm going to just give a commit because I don't want to lose anything. We've added quite a lot. What should I probably say? I'll say added main loop, added, let's see what we've added here. Normally it shows me, maybe because I'm literally committing it right now. Okay, so we added functions to, what did we do? We did to open a new trade. So we got that. We have a new trade now. We've got get the status of all trades. So e.g. profit or loss. So I think that's kind of the main thing. Now, if we can go here, let's check up the trades. We're down 1 cent, up 15 cents, down 20 cents. There's obviously not big movements right now. So this is all the open trades we have. Now we could save something in here. We could well, we won't use a database, we use a text file. We'll say data.txt. Now I think so the goal, well, I'll add the to do in here. Is it to do? How do you to do add? What is it? That doesn't crash, does it? If I was to cargo run that, is it? What does this do? I guess you may as well just put in this. So save trades to .txt so you can open them again. So basically, instead of saving them locally, we'll read and write to a text. Oh no, we'll implement a command. Yeah, that's actually probably the best idea. Else if command is equal to s, basically I'm going to say save state to text file, and then I'm going to say equal, and then you say else if command is equal to r. This is going to be for reload, so load in from text file. Just for debugging purposes, I think that makes the most sense. Let's see a status on our trades. We're up 11, down, up 7, and up 70 cents. Perfect. Okay, well, I'm just gonna keep going, I think. I'm gonna keep it going. So, what is the best way to save? Do we need a unique ID? Or do we simply save it in this kind of system? Let me just keep thinking of this. Maybe we don't do that just yet. Why don't we make, we have an open trade function. that's actually going to be funny. So else if command equals O. This is going to be for like opening a new trade. So we're now into opening a new trade. Print ln, new line, opening trade. We want to say enter ticker, and then we want to say this, and then bang. So we're saying we're going to be opening a trade. Opening trade, and we enter the ticker. The ticker equal line dot trim. So we know the ticker is that. And then we say enter number of shares. And then we say let number of shares equal line dot trim. And we say open trade. And we have ticker and we have this. And that's it. We need ticker and amount of shares. And it will return a trade position, which we need to, currently this is the way to do it. X equals, oh, we want to say as F32. Can I do that? Nope. Okay, so Rust string to F32. We've definitely done this already. Oh yeah, it's parse. Keep forgetting. Number of shares. What can we parse here? Nope. Can we parse here? Wait, no, we can parse here. Being an idiot. So basically it could be an error. Oh, it's trying to make me be safe. Go away. Go away. You are right. Oh, is it gonna just... Wrap it all on that. Damn, it's too memory safe. I would prefer if we could do it here. It wants me to say expect reason. So this is going to go as the current shares, but we're going to open up a new trade. We're going to enter ticker. We already have Apple G. We're going to do SPY. We're going to do 100 shares of SPY. Look at that. We now have an SPY position with the current amount of shares. Oh my goodness, this works quite well. I want to have a total value, so total value, and that is going to be this is the current stock price times becomes the trade dot size. Q, and then we're going to run it again. I'm going to open a new supply position with 100 shares. I want to get my status. So this is a 60 grand, 40 grand, 2,000, 3,000. Okay, that's quite handy. I want to make this easier to read. I hate that it's... See, so we say we're opening a trade, we're going to enter this ticker stuff. And this is the number of share stuff. And we just open up the trade with ticker number of shares. And we just push it straight to the main portfolio. Which I wonder what happens if we get our status here. We're up $2. Okay, I'm going to quit that. Clear. Couple run. Let's get the current. I don't like how it's like. We don't need to see the main portfolio here. Like you're just. Let's get the status of all the things we have. What happens if I put in an eligible one? Interesting. So we need. Well, we don't need to do it right now, but let's open up a trade. What? Let me do AMD. I'm gonna buy 100 shares. Let me get the stats of everything. Okay, so we're making API calls every time I do C. We could make one that just lists without profit and loss, which requires no API calls. We could do that later. Yep. Because this is actually like this stuff is completely separate to this currently. So even balance, like who cares? What is the SPY at right now? Oh, AMD. We did AMD. Let me open up SPY. 100 shares in SPY. 591. 591. Oh, that dumped. Damn. Let me get my staff. Okay, I wonder, you still got this one in the background or no? No, they're both thingies, so I'll close that. Great. So I think do another commit. we do? We added opening new trade during runtime. Yeah, okay. So now we basically can get. I kind of want to put this into a function actually. Like a bunch of display functions, because this is ugly. This is like we can just send us over to the thing. So we need to start thinking of the algorithm for next time. Maybe don't even. No. We're still. What do I still need to do? We need to come up with an algorithm. So that could be what we do next time. What I do next time would be like, I think I have the algorithm running anyway, like in my head. I think a really simple algorithm would work because we're in a bull market, which is let me see. It's just buy and basically buy, and then when you make $5 sell or something, like buy, and when you make 5% sell, something like that. But yeah, no, that could be a good idea. Yeah, I don't know. See, because this is all old code, because we're kind of doing trades, but yeah. What happens if I it's running, whatever, and see nothing? Huh. That's actually, you say if portfolio.open trades.ln is equal to 0, prove there's nothing, you say print ln no open trades. And we just will return portfolio. So if we do it now, it should, yeah, it just says no open trades because there is none. And if we were to open up a trade, it would now not work because what happens if I do it with small? Does it work? No. Okay, so we need to capitalize the ticker that we receive. I assume ticker. Can we do just a cap? No, we don't. Okay, I'll have to do that. Figure that out another time. Auto caps the tickers. Try getting auto buy and sell working. See, but for the algorithm, it needs to. Okay, so it needs to make an API call for each stock to kind of get that to work. Yeah, so that's fine. I'm loving this new API. So let me think. We could have as if command equals a, which is for algorithm, a for algo. Guys, I know that's not how you spell. Oh, I know that's not. I know that's not how you spell algorithm. We would want to loop again in here when we're looping in the algorithm. No. Actually, I think we would make a new function. Oh. And for this, we need the portfolio type portfolio. Let me just say algo. Give it main data, main portfolio. How is it? How does it even know? How does it even know? Right, let me just return this so it knows. Heck yo. Like what? No. Sorry, but that's insane. How does Rust know this? I mean, it's just extremely impressive. So what we're gonna do with this algorithm is we're gonna return portfolio, and we're basically we're gonna do this kind of same thing for each trade. Oh, this is looping as well. So looping. So for each trade, we only want to check every 10 seconds. So that will sleep for 10 seconds. We don't even need to do every 10 seconds. We could really do 10 seconds. So wait 10 seconds. And then you say if trade dot. Right, we have to actually figure out the profit or loss. So we now have the profit or loss. So if profit or loss is greater than 5, so if we've made $5, I want to print that we've made $5 on. I'm going to just pass in the trade. So it checks every 10 seconds. I'm going to put in a huge 1,000 Tesla shares because I know how much is this worth? It's worth 400,000. So I mean, $5 should really not be much. Probably should print that we're in the algorithm mode so they know what's going on. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here. Okay, well, basically the market is not moving at all. So we're not making, it's not, like, this was on for almost half an hour and we didn't make 5 buckaroonies. So I'm gonna do this. Hopefully we can make a buck. But I think this is where I'm gonna end it off. We got the basic kind of algorithm stuff set up. And yeah, I think we can basically fine tune the algorithm and then kind of start doing buying and selling. But yeah, I think I'll leave it there. See you guys later.